guys, we are doing another vlog today. Thank you so much for all the love you guys are showing me on my vlogs. It's making me so happy that you guys are genuinely excited to see what I get up to. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to pack for your holidays. By the time you guys watch this video, I'm going to be probably back from Mexico, so make sure you follow me on Instagram to see all the latest pics and all that stuff, you know. But I have my sister here today. Hello, she's back, and she is going to be helping me pack for this damn trip because your girl is so bad at organising. You guys know the deal. I'm a messy ass bitch. So this morning I tried on all my outfits with the shoes and everything, and I basically put it in bundles. Alright, Tungalina, looking all sexy. What are you up to?
So we're packing today. I've separated all the items into little separate corners, and I managed to pack up 3 little cube bags.
Oh my god.
And look how neat and tidy, and look, like, dash over here, and still, voila. This colour shade is so cute. Like, if you want to get a packing cube, you should get nude. It looks so much
Yeah, it
prettier.
does look, but I got black, like a basic bitch, and it doesn't look as nice. So these are from Amazon, and I got these from eBay, but I would probably get these ones.
She's got a lot of variety of different clothings, and it gets messy if you don't know where things are. So we've separated into dresses,
Yep.
2 pieces, swimming suits, pants, and then tops. So far we've packed away her dresses.
Yes.
She's got a whole load of stash up in here, so a girl is showing legs, arms, everything.
Yeah, it's so good as well, because sometimes I'm like, I want to wear a dress, but I can't find anything.
But the key and the secret to be able to pack in these cubes is you need to fold them a certain way.
Oh.
So you guys haven't heard of the Marie Kondo way? That's the way to fold. So everything is like little, short and compact, so you can see everything. And the way we've kind of shown all the fabric, and if there's any sort of texture, you put it up top. So if you want to choose a specific colour, you can say, I want yellow. Bam, bam, bam. Yes.
I like it. Okay, so now my sister's going through my swimsuits, and your girl loves variety, okay? I need a swimsuit for at least every day, maybe even 2 a day, because your girl's going to take some cute photos for the gram, you know? Okay, so when you get a pack, you only get a few of the cubes, unless, you know, you're bowling and you buy a couple packs, you know? But we only bought one because we're cheap asses. So we are prioritizing these packs for all of the good stuff, like the jumpsuits, the dresses and stuff, and then all the other stuff can just be thrown in the luggage, you know? Okay, so my sister's going to show you the proper way to fold, because I even can't get this technique down, okay? It's so hard, but my sister's such a pro at it.
This is a very big top. And normally a standard way that you fold it in a standard suitcase is you just literally put it in half like this and you just layer it in. But how we're going to do it is we're going to do it the Marie Kondo way of doing it. So firstly, you need to lay it flat down. Then you need to fold it 3/4 of the way. Because these got arms, we're going to fold the arms back on itself, so that it's small and compact. And then the other side, we do the same thing, back on itself. And then you just fold it like this, so that it becomes like a small, little, compact cube. And then, kabam!
Oh, it fits perfectly. Oh, fuck!
Once everything all fits in here, it will look very nice and neat and tidy.
So my sister's going to go through and just put all my swimsuits in there. I'm going to show you guys how I pack my makeup and my skincare. Okay, so this is a new skincare bag that I just bought from Amazon. I'll leave the link down below in the description box if you guys want to get one yourself. So when you open up the skincare bag, it looks like this. You guys like my singing? So inside, you guys can see I have hella skin care. If you guys haven't seen my nightly skincare routine, it is on point, okay? I love me some skincare, especially because I'm always away for work. I need my skin to be looking hella snatched while I'm away. Okay, so this is all the skincare that I bring away with me, and I actually leave this in here all the time, so I never take anything out. These are all like travel size stuff. I always just refill them, and these are the items that I use all the time. I always like decant stuff, put it in smaller bottles so that I can carry more stuff. I rarely ever bring anything full size. So if I really like something, I'll decant it or I'll buy it in a mini size, and that's how you get away with having a little bit of everything, you know? So I actually really love this bag because you can put really tall products like hairspray in here, which is really good, because some of these skincare bags you have to lay them all flat like this, and then you're literally constantly rummaging around. So it was really important for me to have everything standing up, so if I want conditioner, I can be like, bam, there's my conditioner, you know, without having to rummage around in here. First off, I love my Elemis cleansing balm. How cute is this mini though? I am obsessed with minis, and I just got this in the other day. Your girl does not need 2 cleansing balms, but I'm hella extra, so I thought, why not bring 2? I've got a space for it, you know? I also have to have my hairbrush. This is the hairbrush that I use, guys. Look how mini it is, and it's like all flattened and everything. It's actually quite crusty. Making a racket over there, are we?
Trying to be quiet.
I have my shower gel that's depotted in a little Muji bottle. This is my Palmolive 99p shower gel. It's my favourite one, and whenever I use it while I'm away, it makes me feel like I'm at home. So I have to have this at all times. All the time I have to have my Body Radiance. This is by Melanie Mills. It's so important for me to use body glow products while I'm away because I always want my skin to look hella glowy, especially when I take flash photography. It looks so nice. It looks like your skin's airbrushed. I'm actually going to be bringing this Fenty Body Lava with me as well in the shade Trophy Wife. So I've got all my cotton pads in here, some cotton buds, and also my retinol capsules as well. My Drunk Elephant minis. Guys, look how cute this is. It's a baby little pseudo cream. Honestly, I am a sucker for anything tiny. So this just caught my eye when I was at Primark. I also have some really handy pockets on the side as well, which I love. So in this side, I have some of my body glow. I use this to put on top of the body cream to make my shins extra glow in the center. I also have some hair powder in here to fill in any bold spots, you know, with a brush. On this side, I have all my toothpaste and tweezers and all that good stuff in here. I also have a little pack of face wipes for emergencies, even though I never ever use face wipe. But I also have some sheet masks in here. And then on this side, it's for the lady emergencies, you know. You got your extra shaving kit here, your pads, and some extra tampons. Next up, we have my makeup. So this is a makeup bag that I bought from Amazon. It's a medium-sized makeup bag. I had this in a small size and it wasn't cutting it. I got in a bigger size. It was too big, and medium is just right. Just like Goldilocks. Okay, so inside of the makeup bag, woo! We have all of my makeup here. This is the makeup that I actually just keep solely in this case. I never take anything out of here. I have doubles of everything that I really, really like so that I can bring it with me whenever I'm traveling. I also love mini products. As you guys can see, I get sent these little small baby samples and I'm like, perfect for my makeup case. So I love this makeup bag so much because at the top here, I put all of my eye pencils and all of my tweezers and lip pencils and stuff like that. And then my brushes go in this little pouch here. This is from Makeup Forever, but I love it because it stands, and then you can also roll this down as well. So you can literally see all of your brushes. I need a good wash stat before I go. So I have loads of these Stila Magnificent Metals because these are so nice to bring on holiday. It's such a quick way to add some glam. A lot of times I go on press trips and we literally have like an hour to get ready for dinner. So these are a really good way to change it from day to night time. I also have a little Kiehl's SPF as well because it's so important to wear SPF every single day when you're away. And then I also have my little mini Fix Plus, which is a must for my eyeshadows to make my face not look really, really dry and cakey while I'm on holiday. I also really love this palette here. I got it from Beauty Bay. It's from RCMA and it's the Shinto #1. And I went to a Makeup by Mario masterclass and he used this brand for foundation, and also apparently Makeup by Ariel loves this as well. I have a ton of lip products in this little corner here. It's just literally all nudes, but your girl can never have too many nudes, you know. I literally have that one red lipstick in case I'm feeling a bit saucy that night, you know. My foundation of choice is the Jouer Essential High Coverage Foundation. This is so good because you can really like sheer it down, or you can wear it by itself for full coverage. And I also love the Luminous Silk Foundation by Giorgio Armani. This is in shade number 6. It's literally the perfect shade because it's so nice and olive. And when I wear this, my skin looks so skin-like, but it just looks so flawless. My moisturizer of choice is Lala Retro from Drunk Elephant. This is so nice whenever you're putting on foundation because it's super creamy, but it sinks right in. I also have my Beauty Blender, my Sapphire one. This is Illuminati Highlighter by Artist Couture. I just put in a little container because I don't want to carry the full thing. And I also have all my lashes in this one box here. It's going to look like spiders are in here, guys. Look at all my lashes in here. I just literally stack them up on top of each other. The ratchetness is real, guys. So this is a little palette from Thuy. I actually made this. Well, I didn't make these two colours on the side, but these colours in the middle, I added a black and I made my own like highlighty in a corner shade, you know. The struggle is real to try to get the perfect little palette. I have my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. This is the only mascara that I use. It picks up my bottom lashes like crazy, and I literally have no bottom lashes. So if it picks up anything, you're a godsend. So on this side, I have loads of little minis of stuff. I have my Tatcha Silk Canvas in a mini size, which is so cute. I have a little small size Fenty Baby highlighter in Hustler Baby. I have a little mini Hoola highlighter that has my initials on it, which is so freaking cute. And then I have the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in another little container that I decanted. And on this side, I have my powders. This is my go-to powder. I've been through like 5 of these. Honestly, they're so good. This is the Too Faced Primed and Poreless Pressed powder. I much prefer the pressed over the loose. I love love the Charlotte Tilbury powders as well. And then I also have Give Me Sun by MAC, which is a must-have. It's one of my favourite bronzers ever. Like, this drives me nuts, the fact that I have to rummage around in here to find the nude, but I need to find a better way to store my lipsticks because it does get annoying. But when I have it like this, it's just so easy to like pick out a powder, put it back, you know, stay nice and tidy and organised. This is your job next, Huangalina, to clean these brushes because they look hella crusty.
Ah, they look pretty clean to me in comparison to what I have.
Oh no! So at the moment, this is how I travel my jewellery, guys. It gives me anxiety. It makes me not want to look through here and find what earrings I want to wear. So the solution that me and my sister came up with is to buy these little bags here. So I literally got these on Amazon. They were £5 for a pack of 100. And I tried to measure out my earring so that it will fit perfectly. So I feel like these hoops are like a good representation. It's not too big, not too small, and it fits perfectly in this bag. And it's not too long and floppy at the top. So now I'm literally going to go through all the earrings and find all the pairs and put them together. Okay, so these are all my earrings in the little Ziploc baggies. And I can literally just pull them up. And I try to do like colour on this side and like gold and rose gold and silver on this side. So I'm actually going to really try to keep them all together. Remember to put them in little Ziploc baggies. I decided to also change the bag because this one was a little bit taller. So this one is from Cult Beauty. I still have so many earrings here and some also over there. But these are the ones going to be going away with me. So this is how I carry my sunglasses when I'm away. I actually double up on them. So there's 2 sunglasses per pouch. This is from Key Australia, Jaclyn Hill. So this is my pouch that I carry with every single holiday. I never take anything out from here. It just goes with me everywhere I go. So it has all my electronics in here. So I bought this that comes with me everywhere. It's got loads of USB slots and also plug sockets as well. So all the time whenever we travel anywhere, we just use one adapter and then we can use loads of plugs and loads of USBs. And Grang's in charge of this. Whenever we are away, he sets up all the chargers and everything for his cameras. We also have some power banks here as well, which is super handy. Always need that. I've also got our electric fans. I'm always going to need this on holiday because your girl don't want to be a sweaty bitch, you know. I also have some GHD hair curlers. I can use this anywhere around the world and it won't blow. I have all of our chargers and then some adapters as well. So this goes all in here, packed for every single holiday. I also thought I'll show you guys this here. This is my carry-on skincare for when I'm actually on the plane, and it looks hella extra. Some people might actually take this as their skincare for their holiday, but this is just for the airplane, guys. That's how extra this bitch needs to be, okay? So this bag is actually from Pixie, and I really like it because it folds out. I've got my sunglasses for when I get off the plane and I'm looking hella ratchet. I've got some makeup wipes. I've got a eye mask as well, which I have to use an eye mask because your girl needs to sleep in pitch blackness, and it has my name on it as well, which is so cute. I also have some chewing gum because your breath be stanking on the plane. Got a hair clip and some cotton pads. And then on this side here, I have all of my onboard skincare. So everything is in this bag. I don't know about anywhere else around the world, but in the UK, everything has to be in these stupid little bags. So it's so annoying. I want to lay everything out all nice and displayed here, but it's so annoying because they tell you to put everything in this bag. Even though this bag's clear anyways, I don't know what the difference is. But I've got loads of little mini skincares, like my Cellar Water from Simple. I've got an Elemis little facial oil, my Tatcha Essence. I've got a little bit of concealer as well. I use the Maybelline Age Rewind. I've got a mask as well, which is from Clinique, and there's some deodorant and yeah, all that good stuff. For the plane, you need a lip balm, deodorant, water spray. I got you, girl. Okay, so now I'm going to pack everything in the suitcase. I literally just got a brand new one. My last one literally broke so badly because the taxi driver just literally threw it on the road. How satisfying. Yeah. This is from the brand HB London, and you can get them all customized and everything. So this just says my initials, TL, and then Grant also has his initials, and then we also have matching little small carry-ons as well, which is so cute. And I love the fact it's got a built-in lock, and it's also expandable as well. I cannot use any suitcase that's not expandable because your girl likes to pack like hella makeup and like thick stuff, so I need it to be able to open up and expand to make it really, really wide. Love the fact that as well that it wheels so smoothly, and it's got 8 wheels as well. So this ain't no basic bitch with 4 wheels, it's got 8, bitch.
And what's also really good about this is it's divided into half. Normally you get one sort of suitcase that goes really deep in and you literally have to dig under. Well, this is split into 2, and you can separate the items, so you can have your clothing here, skincare over there.
Does anyone actually use these little flaps here? Do you ever use these flaps?
Yeah, I think it's really handy. I put like all my knickers and bras and like.
Oh yeah, good idea. Oh my god, these cubes fit literally perfectly. Okay, on the other side we're putting my black cubes. Oh my god, these packing cubes literally make everything look so organised. The only thing is I wish that it had like labels or something. I might have to whip out my little label machine so I know where every single thing is, because I know it is mesh, but I don't know that's jumpsuits or I don't know that's dresses, you know? Not gonna lie, because I have so much makeup and skincare, this is gonna spill over into Grang's little luggage, you know? If you are going on holiday with your boyfriend and you're not taking up his luggage space, are you even together? It's one of the perks of having a boyfriend, you know? You can take up all their luggage space. Okay.
This is our first ever time using this, and I think it's pretty effective, guys.
Yeah.
So I would highly, highly recommend this. And the way you fold everything is so much more compact and so much more organised, and you're just like up and go.
Yes, I love it. Now lock it in so it doesn't move all around hibby-jibby everywhere. Oh my god, that's perfect. Done and dusted. Woo! We are packed. Okay, guys, so I'm looking hella busted, crusted, and mustard. We'll think of another word for crusted.
Ugly.
Okay, so we just finished packing and everything. It was so long. I'm so tired. It is 9 p.m. Oh my god, it's still so early, but I feel like we've been doing this all freaking day. So make sure you stay tuned for my little travel vlog that's coming up when I'm at Mexico. We're going to have such a good time while we're out there. Me and Grant are extending our trip, so we're going to actually have a holiday as well. It's going to be lit. I hope you guys like seeing what I pack for my travels, and I hope it helped in any way possible. I love watching these kind of videos. If you like these kind of casual vlogs with me and my sister, I've done 2 other vlogs on my channel, or maybe 3. I don't know, but my sister is always featuring on my channel, so make sure you subscribe. If you guys haven't followed me on all my social media platforms, it's just xThuyLe on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Yeah. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
My phone. Give it back.
Say bye to the vlog then.
Bye vlog. I need my phone. We're using it currently.
Are you excited for Mexico?
Mexico!
Oh, no time! Yay, the dogs are coming.
Yeah.
Bruiser, do you like living with us? Innit, Bruiser?
Hey, don't neglect Coco.
How disgusting is this? So, whenever Bruiser comes home after seeing Coco, his earwax is all cleaned out because they lick each other so much.
Don't say my dog's a little tramp.
He likes that salty wax. Guys, do not get the eBay ones. Get the ones from Amazon. Look how nice these ones fit in there. And then mine are looking all busted and rusted, not even square anymore. Fuck, I'm gonna post it for Instagram. Shit! Thatcher milk. This is silk, bitch. Go on, end the vlog out.
Oh, I don't know. What's that? Bye, tweet. Bye, guys. Make sure to follow me on my social media, HongXO, at Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. You can follow Cocolina as well. It's Cocolina XO.
Oh.
That is money. We'll catch up in the next video.
Bye!
Let's go.